Hey, it's Sammy on July 2nd. We're coming into the holiday long weekend. What goes up must come down. The market rallied the last few days, kind of looking for a little bit of a correction. And today we're going to play the shorts off of those real big long last few days. It's also Wednesday, and tomorrow is going to be the third with shortened trading hours. We took 243 points today out of YM, which is Dow Futures, for $6,075 profit. Let's take a look and see how these trades played out. Trade management is the biggest part of this business. So we use data to take the trades, but we're also using areas of interest or these really important technical levels where we're locking in profits. You can see I've identified a checkpoint right here, and as price hits this area, it's very significant. We're going to go ahead and lock in 31 points. You can see after we hit that checkpoint, we busted down here. We're at this deviation one, this red line, right below value area low. This is a really hard level to break, so we're going to set our break even, and it's going to get tested and hit for a break even trade. Now we're going to use a good old-fashioned trend line as we pull through. We knew we were heading down to at least yesterday's close, so we could see what happens here. We're going to start trailing this trade down. We've got a lot of momentum, sentiment, and volatility. Heading down for that checkpoint again. So we're going to trail aggressively here with a plus 15, and it's going to get hit. We'll lock in 15 points. You can see we're looking for those shorts. We've got that momentum, sentiment, and volatility. We're just struggling breaking through those value areas, through those checkpoints. This yellow line down here is deviation 2. Now, as we're struggling to get through it, this makes really good sense to go ahead and trail really aggressively, and we're going to lock in 30 points. People always ask me, why do I trail so aggressively? Why do I lock in price at these levels? And the reason why is those gigantic moves only happen like 2 to 4 days a month, like maybe 10 to 20% of the time. I trade every single day, so I have to build my trading plan based around data, based around statistical market performance. That gives me the edge to take money out of the market every single day. That's why you see we just locked 10 on this trade. We're going to take a break even. Now I can look for the next data-driven opportunity. Now here's the open. Our high time frame data stayed intact. You can see we just did a quick stop hunt, hit yesterday's high, hit that checkpoint, hit that deviation line. We roll over, and we are taking this trade very aggressively down. We have tons of data flipping over, real-time information. You see us trailing this stop every like 10 points or so. We're going to trail, and we're actually going to end up with a plus 72 points on this trade at open. Now you can see that we've tested that pivot, that pink thick line in the 61.8 Fibonacci. We've tested that 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 5th time we're testing it. We have a trend line, we're breaking it. We've got a full confluence of momentum, sentiment, and volatility. So we're gonna break through and see how far we can take this trade. Can see it's really struggling at that checkpoint we've identified, so we're going to be really judicious here, and we're going to start trailing, and we're going to end up trailing with a plus 35 points. This is our signature SOTA reversal process. We love this off the low of day. High time frame data is holding, but notice all that short time frame data has flipped over. We're coming back up through that checkpoint now, and we're going to actually try to make it up to the open price. So as the buys kick in here, we're hitting value area overnight low. We're going to trail with a plus 30. Finally, the market pulled back a little bit, giving us another opportunity to re-enter right here. So let's take this up the rest of the way to that open price. Price actually did make its way up. We were hitting this overnight low zone right here, so we started trailing right here at this GAN area, and we ended up with trailing a plus 20 points. Consistent profits are made up of a couple of different components. One is knowing where to take your profits out of the market, but number two, and this is the most important, is understanding the data and the statistics of how to get in and out of the market. We use powerful momentum, sentiment, and volatility. Not just that, we read it via real-time market-generated numeric data. If you're ready to leverage the power of this data and win consistently, go ahead and click that link below, schedule a call, and we'll get you started right away.